Hey everybody, Han Turkey here. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be trying a recipe, I guess it's been around for a long time. With this coronavirus, cold, flu, all that stuff going on right now. You know, people are looking for quick ways to get better or to avoid getting sick. So I've been hearing a lot about this boiling Coca-Cola and lemon slices. So that's what I'm going to try doing. So I got my Coke here. And I got my lemon slices here. So I'll pour the Coca-Cola in there. You're supposed to let it boil first, and then you turn it down to a simmer for like 5 to 10 minutes. And you let the lemons kind of just cook itself in there, and then you drink it like tea. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I'm going to do a taste test, see how it tastes. And apparently it's a Chinese remedy for, you know, getting better. So we'll see what happens. I love Coca-Cola, so I've never had it boiled before. And with the lemon flavor, who knows? We'll see what happens. So let's get this started, right? Here we go. Let's pour some Coke into the pan. I'm not going to do a lot. I'll probably do, because I don't know how much of this I'm really going to drink. But let's take it up to the 4 cups line there. Just like that. The recipe calls for just a can of Coke. But there she is right there. And I've got the burner set to high. And then I'm going to drop my lemon slices in there. Oh, it's already starting to get hot. Ooh, wow. Okay. One more. And there we go. So you got to let this boil. And then let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll see what happens when we get it boiling. And I'll come back. There she is, boiling nicely. Some people also can add ginger to this. I don't have any ginger, so I just did the lemons. But I've seen people just do this with lemons and Coca-Cola. So now that it's at a full boil, what you want to do is just simmer it down now. Just like that. Just have a nice slow simmer. And I'll set that for, let's see, it'll do 10 minutes. Went a little too far there. Boom. 10 minutes. And then, once this is ready, I'll pour some into a cup. Let it cool down for a second, and then I'll take a few sips and see how it tastes, and I'll let you guys know. Look at that. Alright everybody, the moment truth has come. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to pour a little bit into my cup. I'm going to put like a lemon slice or 2 in there, and just kind of let it cool down a little bit and see how it tastes. So hang tight, I'll be right back. So the lemons are sunk to the bottom. Wow. So when you grab the handle, make sure you have something to cover it. I'm going to take this guy and we're going to pour it into my mug. Here we go. There's one. Let's see what it does with one. Alright, I'm about to take my first sip. Here we go. Wow. That doesn't taste like Coke at all. It's very tart and very bitter. But I can definitely feel it coating my throat. And the lemon definitely adds flavor to it too. You can really taste the lemon. It's very prominent. I'm sure if you had ginger in there, you could have that in there too, and it'll be really prominent. So, wow. It's not bad though. I mean, it's worth a try if you're sick. No guarantees that it's going to just cure you overnight, but according to a Chinese remedy, this is good for colds and flus. So, you want to try it out for yourself, get you some Coca-Cola and a couple slices of lemon. Boil it up. Let it go to a simmer about 5 to 10 minutes. Have yourself a cup. Bap, bap, bap. And you're all set to go. Silent Turkey signing out. Stay healthy, stay aware, and stay awake. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Have a good night.